We're in Pollicina, Parma, Italy, at the ancient Antica Corte Pallavicina, where we're literally sourcing the entire meal from the grounds of this beautiful estate. Our chefs and party throwers today are Parizzi.
The asparagus is like a mushroom. In the first time, you'd see one turn back, and you see another.
And the proprietor and head chef of this establishment, Massimo Spigaroli.
Vegetable and culatello.
How do you put the culatello into this dish?
He put very well.
We're making stuffed gnocchi, stuffed squash blossoms, guinea hen, a Campari cocktail, and most importantly, culatello.
We are in Antica Corte Pallavicina cellar. This is from 1320.
AD?
Yeah.
Wow, so it's been 700 years?
Yeah, more or less.
Wow. All for a feast in the courtyard of a 13th century Italian manse. Salute! Salute! Next on a Moveable Feast with Fine Cooking Magazine.